Alrighty guys, so we are playing Animal Jam today. Pretty awesome. So, this is me. Legit bold fox. I don't have enough sapphires. I am a member, but I use a lot of my sapphires to get a lot of these rares. But I will show you guys how I do get the... Why did it bring me here? It always does that. How I do get the rares. So, most of the time, the best places you're gonna find them is you go to the Sapphire shop and I just click on the messages. It says shops at Den, restored and ready to go gem shop and more. Let's see. So you just go to their den. Let's see if she even has any rares. Wow, she has this. This is... Hang on, I want to see this a second. Oh, that's just music. I thought that was a den. I was like, can you even... Okay, so there's one rare on that. Yeah, not very many rares. She's kind of like me, which is fine. But that's how you do it. Lots of people will sell overpriced, so don't buy from people that sell overpriced, because it's only going to teach them their lesson. A lot of people ask on Animal Jam, like how you get sapphires. There's a lot of ways to get sapphires. On the app, you can, if you go to your games, and then right here on the side, there's a picture of a sapphire, and it shows how many things you have to like earn to be able to get a prize, and all the prizes are sapphires. Let's see. He's gonna be back in 16 minutes on my wish list. Let's see this person's trade a second. Do you have got any rares? I don't know. That is a crap. Hang on, can I view her profile? No. If she says she wants my spiked collar, I'm gonna say no, because yeah, I knew she would. Most people cancel if they don't have rares, so because they're like, oh crap, I don't have any rares, what am I gonna do? What was... Oh my... I have no idea what that was. I've never had that noise before. Okay, so this is my wish list. I've got a double rare tail, a few rare raccoon tails, another double tail, rare light up tail. I should probably add some better things. I'm gonna see if anybody has any. Let's see what's on her wish list. Oh, these have... I saw somebody with these actually the other day. Okay, she just left and I was trying to look at her thing. Is this her? No, where'd she go? There's literally a girl here that had like 33 points. 26, that's not bad. Ooh, wow, that's beautiful. And that's beautiful. She wants a my shop? That's what's on her. What is that thing? What is that? Get over here, kiddo. What are you? What are you? I've not seen anybody have that animal. No, that's not even right. How do I get to your... How do I... Oh, there we go. Maybe? I think she's a ring-tailed lemur.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør